This is a 2011 GMC Sierra 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a heavy-duty suspension, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has less than 57,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.